Guys, you know that feeling when every CRM tool promises to be the one platform that will transform your business? But once you log in, everything looks confusing, expensive, or just not built for the way you actually work. Yeah, I've been there too. My name is Daniel, and in this video we're going to compare 5 of the most popular CRM platforms on the market right now. We'll talk about what each one is really good at, where they fall short, how much they cost, and most importantly, what makes them different from each other in real life, not just on marketing pages. Guys, we'll be looking at HubSpot, Zoho CRM, Monday, Pipedrive, and HighLevel. Each of them is solid, each has loyal fans, but they are built with slightly different types of businesses in mind. By the end of this video, you should have a clear idea which one fits your situation the best. Guys, make sure you check out all the useful links in the description. After watching this video, there might be some nice discounts there. Let's get started. Mates, before jumping into the tools, let's quickly talk about what a CRM is supposed to solve. At its core, a customer relationship management tool should help you capture leads, organize contacts, track deals, and communicate with customers without turning your day into spreadsheet chaos. It should save time, not create more work. Some CRMs focus heavily on sales pipelines, others on marketing automation, and some try to be an all-in-one operating system for your whole business. That difference in focus is exactly why choosing the right platform matters so much. Now, mates, let's talk about HighLevel. This platform is a bit different from the others, because it was built primarily for agencies and service-based businesses that need CRM plus marketing, automation, funnels, and client management in one place. With HighLevel, you can capture leads through landing pages and forms, nurture them with email and SMS, book appointments, send invoices, and even build full websites. Folks, instead of connecting 10 separate tools, everything lives under one roof. One feature that stands out is the Automation Builder. You can create workflows that respond to missed calls, new leads, or customer actions. There are also AI tools for voice and chat, which can actually talk to prospects. Guys, pricing is not per user, like in most cases. It starts at $97 per month with unlimited users, which can be very attractive for growing teams. There is also an unlimited plan for agencies managing many client accounts. The system can feel complex at first, and email features are not as advanced as dedicated platforms like HubSpot. But for businesses that want marketing and CRM tightly combined, it's extremely powerful and often replaces several subscriptions at once. Folks, let's start with HubSpot. HubSpot is probably the most famous name in the CRM world, especially if you do any kind of online marketing. What makes HubSpot different is how tightly the CRM is connected to marketing tools like email campaigns, landing pages, social media scheduling, and analytics. When you open this platform, it feels polished and professional. Everything is designed around the idea of inbound marketing, attracting leads with content, and then nurturing them automatically. For companies that rely on blogs, newsletters, and funnels, this ecosystem is incredibly powerful. Mates, pricing is where HubSpot becomes tricky. There is a free plan, which is great for beginners, and paid plans start around $10 per user per month. But once you need serious automation or advanced reporting, the price can climb fast into hundreds or even thousands per month. HubSpot is amazing if marketing is the heart of your business. The downside is that it can feel heavy and expensive for small teams that mainly need simple sales management. Next up, folks, is Zoho CRM, and this one is known for giving a lot of features without destroying your budget. Zoho has been around for decades and offers not only customer relationship management services, but an entire ecosystem of business apps. What I really like about this platform is flexibility. You can manage leads, automate workflows, connect email and phone systems, and even use their built-in AI assistant called Zia to help write messages and predict deal success. Zoho is great for small and medium businesses that want an all-in-one environment. Guys, the interface isn't as simple as HubSpot, and sometimes there are so many options that it feels overwhelming, but the value for money is hard to beat. Plans start around $20 per user monthly, with a limited free version as well. If you want one platform to cover CRM, projects, invoicing, and more, Zoho is a very serious option. Mates, Monday comes from the world of project management, and you can feel that immediately. Everything is visual, colorful, and organized in boards that look like a modern spreadsheet mixed with a Kanban system. This CRM is perfect for teams that don't want complex enterprise software. Setting up pipelines, tracking deals, and assigning tasks is very intuitive. Startups and new sales teams usually love Monday because they can understand it in a single afternoon. However, folks, because Monday was not originally built as a pure CRM, some advanced sales features are not as deep as in other tools. It's more about organizing work than heavy automation. Pricing starts around $15 per user per month. For teams that value simplicity and collaboration over advanced marketing features, Monday CRM makes a lot of sense. Guys, before we move on, I try to make my content fun instead of boring. And in return, please like this video and subscribe to my channel if you enjoy the content I make. Friends, Pipedrive is probably the most sales-focused tool in this comparison. It was designed by salespeople who wanted a clean pipeline view without unnecessary distractions. Inside the tool, everything revolves around moving deals from one stage to another. You get reminders, email tracking, call logging, and simple automations that help reps stay organized. What I like is how fast and lightweight it feels. Folks, you don't need weeks of training to start using it. The downside is that Pipedrive isn't really an all-in-one business platform. Marketing, service, and advanced workflows often require extra tools. Pricing begins around $14 per user monthly, which is reasonable. If your main goal is classic B2B sales management, Pipedrive is still one of the cleanest options out there. So folks, what actually separates these tools? HubSpot is strongest in marketing automation and content-driven growth, but it becomes expensive as you scale. Zoho offers the widest range of business features for the price, though the learning curve and customization can be steeper. Monday wins in ease of use and team collaboration, but it's not the deepest sales engine. Pipedrive is laser-focused on pipelines and sales activity, yet limited beyond that scope. HighLevel really positions itself as an all-in-one operating system for service businesses, and honestly, it delivers. You get CRM, funnels, communication, and automation all in one place, without juggling multiple tools. Our team actually uses HighLevel daily, and that's exactly why I like it. It's especially strong for outreach and email marketing. The automation is flexible, contact management is clean, and scaling campaigns feels smooth. Out of all the options, this is the one that stands out to me the most. Alright friends, let's wrap this up. Every CRM we talked about today is genuinely good. There is no bad option among these 5. HubSpot can be incredible for marketing-driven companies. Zoho is fantastic value, Monday is friendly and visual, and Pipedrive is a pure sales machine. Guys, HighLevel, in my experience, has a slight edge for service businesses and agencies. Not dramatically better, just a bit more complete for that specific use case. Feel free to check out the links in the description below. You might find some discounts there. As usual, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching, until next time.